Hi, I am Vishanathar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, you will learn why LinkedIn headlines are important. LinkedIn headlines are important because they are one of the first thing that potential employers or clients see when they view your LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile headline appears directly below your name and profile photo, and it gives a brief overview of who you are and what you do. And now you can see that, for example, I am just providing the services of lead generation, and in my heading I just write here the lead generation work, and I am just providing the LinkedIn consultant services and LinkedIn coaching services, and now I all write these in my LinkedIn headlines. A well-crafted LinkedIn headline can make a strong first impression and attract the attention of recruiters or clients who are looking for someone with your skills and experiences. And for example, I am searching for fitness trainer because I just need to lose my weight, and how recruiters, employers and other people find your target audience. For example, I just need a fitness trainer, and I will just write here the fitness trainer. And now just click on people, and you can also set here the location. For example, you need a fitness trainer from UK, you just need to click here United Kingdom, and different more filters are available. Now you can see that, and now you can see that when I open Martin profile, and now why I can see her post, why I can see her LinkedIn profile and her post, because she is using a fitness coaching, health coaching, and now this is our also a keyword. So because of fitness trainer keyword, I can see her profile, and now you can see that this is also fitness trainer. So with the help of keyword, we can find our target audience, and now you can see that this is also fitness trainer. And same like this, recruiters and the employer find the right candidate. Just employer and the recruiter just write here the keyword. For example, for this time I just need a QuickBook expert, so the recruiter or employer will write just a keyword and then find a people, and now you can see that I just write here the keyword QuickBooks, and now you can see that, and now you can see the results, and now different results are available, different QuickBooks expert are available. So in this way, recruiters and employees find the target audience. And why I can see her LinkedIn profile, because he is writing the QuickBooks expert in their LinkedIn headline. So that is why LinkedIn headlines are too much important. And now you can see that QuickBooks expert, and now you can see that, for example, Sayyid Haris Azim, if never write the QuickBook expert in his heading, then how the recruiter can find and how the employer can find his profile. So make sure your LinkedIn headline will be updated, so recruiters and employers can find you for a perfect job. And for example, I am just employer and I just need a people that are expert in ERP. So I will just write here the keyword ERP expert. I just can write here the ERP, and now you can see that LinkedIn only show me people that profile headline match with the ERP, and now you can see that ERP management, and now you can see that. So your LinkedIn profile should be concise and informative, and headline your key strength and the value you can offer to others. And for example, I am just writing here the expert, accountant. You can write anything, you can write here the management, and after this you can, for example, you just need a ERP expert from different countries. For example, you just need from Pakistan, you just need to select here the location Pakistan. And if you want ERP expert from USA, you just need to write here the USA, and different more filters are available. For example, this time I just need from Pakistan, and now you can see that. And now Shujar Rahman, and now you can see that. And now you can see that ERP functional, and now you can see that. And now ERP expert. And in this way, recruiter found perfect audience. And for example, you can also find people that providing the LinkedIn services, LinkedIn service page. For example, I'm just writing here, I just need accounting services. So I just write here the keyword accounting services. And now this time I just need those candidate that providing the services of accounting services on LinkedIn. For example, I'm just writing here the service, and now I just need to click on services, and after you can see that service categories, and now you can see that accounting. For example, I'm just selecting here the accounting, and location you can select here. For example, you just need a freelancer from UK, India, United States. You can find all these freelancers that providing the accounting services on LinkedIn. So for example, I'm just clicking here the Tufail Rahman and Tahir Mahmood, and now you can see that these are his service page, and you can send the proposal request, you can send the messages, and now you can see that. And now you can see that you can request for a proposal, you can send a message, and this is the service page. And now what service page look like, so I want to show you. And now you can see that this is my service page. You can also get review from your clients, and now you can see that. So hope you understand why LinkedIn headlines are important. Overall, a strong LinkedIn headline can be a powerful tool for building your professional brand and attracting new opportunities. So thank you very much for watching these videos, and if you have a more question or queries related to LinkedIn automation, so I am always available here. So thank you very much.